Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, your tech assistant Ratul. Welcome back to another video of Advanced Excel with Screen Reader. We have already made more than 20 videos regarding Advanced Excel. Though the playlist name is Advanced Excel or the video series name is Advanced Excel, but we have discussed from basic to advanced. So if you're a basic user, you can follow the playlist also, and if you want to learn the advanced things in MS Excel, you can also follow the playlist. The playlist link is given in the video description below, as well as you can find our playlist section. In this video, we're going to discuss about Subtotal feature in MS Excel. How to use this feature to prepare your sales report. This feature is specially used if you want to generate a report. For example, if you are generating a report for your branch, for example, you are working as a bank employee and you are a accountant manager, and you have a list of all of your branches with the transactions of this month, and then you want to calculate, or if you are a sales executive, senior sales executive, and you there are 3-4 salesmen in different region from under your team, and they have made a separate sales, and now you want to count that. So for those two scenarios, you can use Subtotal feature. So I'm using Windows 11 with MS Office 365 NVIDIA 2023.1 with Eloquence. Without any delay, let's hop in. I've made a sheet.
Salesperson A1.
Salesperson.
Region B1.
Region. I have mentioned 2 cities, Delhi and Kolkata.
Order ID C1.
Order ID.
Order date D1.
Order date
E1. Order date D1. E1 F1. E1 7500 E1.
Then order value. So somehow it's missed. So.
Order 75. Order value E1.
Order value. Okay. So these are columns and there are data in the rows. So I want to know that how many sales are done in Delhi, then how many sales are done in Kolkata, or how many sales done in any other cities. For that first I have to sort the data on which data, based on which data I want to get my output. For my case, I want the output based on region. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, the city.
Order I region D1.
So region first I need to sort this. So I'm going to pressing application key because it is already sorted.
Delhi B6.
Right, this is already sorted. If the data is not sorted, then you will not get the exact results.
Region.
So that's why you have to sort the data first. So I'm just pressing application key on it.
Cut, remove the selection and put it on the clipboard. Paste special dialogs sub. Cut, copy, paste, insert, delete, clear, quick, and filter, sort, collapse, stove.
This is sort.
Sort A to Z, sort A to Z, lowest to sort Z to A,
or
sort Z to A, highest to lowest.
Whatever you want, you can do.
Sort A to Z, sort A to Z, low subtotal.xlsx.
Sort A to Z. I'm not going to dip in the sort because I have already made a video how to sort and filter. These two features I have discussed in single video. If you want, you can watch from our previous playlists.
Delhi B2.
So
Delhi B, region B1.
Now what happened? If I apply the subtotal feature after Delhi region, there another row will be added, and in that row the subtotal will work. By using subtotal, we can calculate sum, average, count, and some other options. But today I am going to only show you the sum feature. If you want, I can show you another feature in another video if you need. So that's why you have to comment in the comment section. So first I'm selecting all the data range.
One salesperson through E11 18,500.
Now I'm going to data tab by pressing Alt A, data tab.
Sub. Ribbon tabs tab. Sheet 1 table.
I'm selecting, then I'm going to data tab.
Expanded. Data tab select.
In data tab I am pressing Ctrl plus right arrow.
Data grouping. Queries and connect. data types, sort and filter group, data tools group, forecast group, outline grouping, file tab button, alt F ribbon tabs tab, data grouping, queries and connection, data types button, collapse, sort and filter grouping, sort A, data tools grouping, text to columns button, text to columns,
data tools,
flash fill button, remove duplicates, data validations, consolidate button, consolidate, summarize data from separate relationships button, manage data model button, go to the forecast grouping, what if a forecast sheet, outline grouping, ungroup, split button, collapse, ungroup, shift subtotal button, subtotal, quickly calculate rows of related data by inserting subtotals.
Okay, so you can use tab key until you hear this subtotal feature. Now pressing enter to open the subtotal dialog box.
Subtotal dialog, add subtotal to list order value checkbox checked.
So by default our focus moves to the third option, but we do not start from here. We'll just press shift up twice.
Use at each change in combo box salesperson alt plus A.
At each change in this combo box you have to select based on which data you want the result. We want the result based on our region, because we have made a sort, we have applied a sort in the region. So in which column you have applied the sort feature, thing, so you should use that column here. So I'm choosing this.
Add each order ID. Region. Order region.
Region. Okay, so now I'm pressing tab.
Use function. Combo box sum alt plus U.
Use function. By default sum is selected. If you want you can select others like average, calculations and other calculations. Let's see.
Use function. Average.
Average. Max. Min.
Product.
Count
num
product with multiplication.
Count numbers.
STD
dev.
Okay.
Count num product. Min. Max. Average. Count. Sum.
So I'm choosing sum by default. I'm not changing it. Now I'm pressing tab.
Add subtotal to list order value checkbox check.
Add subtotal to. So Excel is smart, so it can be able to understand. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing. Add total to order value. Yes, I want the total transaction. If you want to get the output any other data, so you have to select that column headers from this combo box, but by default it's selected order value. I am not changing this because I want this. Now I'm pressing tab to see what are the other options there.
Replace current subtotals checkbox checked alt plus C.
If you have already applied any subtotals, then you should check this box checked. Otherwise, keep doing nothing.
Page break between groups checkbox not checked alt plus P.
Page break between groups. You have to use this. Otherwise, the data will be mismatched. It is not possible. Like after Delhi, after Kolkata, then the Delhi subtotal will be added, and then the Kolkata subtotal will be added. So this is why for safe and secure, you just press spacebar here.
Checked.
Then press tab.
Summary below data checkbox checked alt plus
Summary
S.
below data. Yes, this box should be checked.
Remove all button alt plus R.
Remove all if you want to clear all. This is simple.
OK button.
So I'm clicking OK button.
Subtotal.xlsx.
Let's see it's work or not.
A2 level Delhi B2 level 2. Region B1. Region Delhi B Delhi B Delhi B Delhi B Delhi B Delhi total Kolkata B Delhi total expanded B7 level 1 Kolkata B8 level 2.
So what's that?
Delhi total edit Del D E L total Delhi total
Delhi total, right?
Expanded A7 level 1 Delhi total expanded C7 level 1 expanded D 183,000 expanded as formula E7 level 1.
So this is the subtotal. Subtotal means it will add all the transactions of Delhi and add an extra row, and it gives the result. How many transactions, the total amount of the transactions, or the total amount of the sales value which is done by the salesman in Delhi region. Below that,
Delhi total Kolkata B8 level 2 Kolkata total expanded B13 level 1 expanded D163,300 expanded as formula.
Right, so we can easily able to understand that how many sales are done in Delhi and how many sales are done in Kolkata. So this is the use of subtotal feature. I hope this video is helpful to everyone, those who are working as a sales executive or those who are working as a bank employee. If you find the content useful, if you find the video useful, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to share your feelings into the comment section. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel also. The Telegram channel link is given in the video description below. There we have we are uploading many applications, software, tips and tricks and much more. One more great news is we have opened our Shorts YouTube channel where you can be able to know various short tutorials, mini tutorials. So if you want to watch that, don't forget to go that channel, visit the channel and do subscribe. This is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.